Hello. Yeah, today I'm going to explain about how you can earn in this particular application. So directly once the description, the link is there in the description. Just you can go there and you click on that. Once you open that, you will see like this. Okay, so you can fill in the registration numbers like registration mobile number, create a password and verification code. There is a OTP you have to generate, the verification code you have to add and agree that, and just click on the register after that. So I'm not filled anything, so you're getting some error. So I already logged in. Now I'm not showing this actually how to register that. This is actually way you can register there. Once you successfully signed in, the sign in option is like the username will be your mobile number and the password whichever you have given already, that is actually the password. So once you open the page, it looks like this. Okay, you don't have to do anything here. In this, the third option is there, just click on the win go. Okay, so there you have to actually play the game. Now I have a balance around 630 rupees. Okay, so in this actually like we have four options, different options we have like picky, parity, swapper and beacon. Okay, this is actually four options we have. So this is actually like we have every 3 minutes countdown. You can see every 3 minutes there will be a draw and there will be a winner. So if suppose you pick one number out of here, they will pay you around 70 rupees for 10 rupees. And if you pick one color, they will pay around 18 rupees for 10 rupees. For example, I will play now. Wait. So I will pick red here. So you can see that contract money 10 rupees. If suppose I want to play 20 rupees, I can do like this. So now I will play only one now. I'll agree that and I will confirm here. So once that particular countdown overs, in below you can see that okay, what is actually the result is all about. So this is actually, you can see that it's in pending now. So we'll wait for that. Before that I will tell you like what is actually like other things. This is actually one way you can earn hell lot of money here. And we have one telegram page there you can get the predictions. Actually there is some in this particular pattern the draw will be, so you can go through with that. And other way of earning, I told you, like you can refer your friend also. Okay, the fourth option, my, you just go there and click on the my promotion. Okay, so this is actually like commission you can earn. If suppose you one refer one friend, he plays a lot like in that, so keep on you are getting the commissions. Okay, so now you can see that active member only 3, but still I got a commission around 280 rupees. In level 2 also I got a commission around 61 rupees. This is actually like whenever your friend plays, okay, where whoever you referred, and each referral bonus you will also get 100 rupees and your friend also will get 100 rupees. That is also you can withdraw that also. Okay, so this is actually the one of the particular commission aspects. And invite friend option is there. You can copy this particular link and you can share it with your friends and family members so that you can like refer many multiple friends. Okay, so this is actually the my main aim is like you can earn lots of money through commission itself. Okay, so this is actually like commissions. So you can see here I have level 1, I have 13 people I have added. In level 2 my friends have added around 8 people, in that I got 61 rupees. This is actually not that referral money, this is actually just a commission. He plays, I got around 10 6 to 7% of commission if suppose he plays 10 rupees. So this is not a game like okay entire money will be lost at one shot. So you can see here I already won that money. So previous balance you can see here. See, I in picky I predicted it will be red. So 10 rupees I added, so I got plus 9 rupees now. So this is how you can play. Like every 3 minutes there will be a countdown, there will be a draw, and there is a 4 options you can play with that. And once you join, there will be zero balance. There you have to recharge. Okay, so you have to click on the recharge, and no need to put that manually. You can add 100 rupees. 100 rupees is the minimum. You cannot add 70, 80 or something. Then once you click on the recharge button here, so you can use the UPI or like bank card, any details, and you can recharge your application. Like recharge 100 rupees recharge should be must. Okay, you have to do that. To referral, getting the referral bonus also, you have to recharge for 100 rupees minimum. So for that you will get 100 rupees bonus also as a referral. So for getting the referral also, you have to message to one particular person. That number will be there in the descriptions actually, like what you have to like share. I will share the like link of this in the description, as well as the WhatsApp number where and what actually you have to send in that particular message. Okay, that is actually like your registration number, as well as the who referred you, that particular mobile number. You have to add that and send it to her, so that you will get a 100 rupees cash bonus. So this is actually the how you can earn through this particular application. So hope you understand that and earn money in this particular lockdown time. Thank you guys, and please subscribe and do like this video if suppose you really feel that it's worth.